My name is Yash Kodian and welcome to my channel Kodi Fit. This channel is all about fitness, A to Z, all about fitness. So let's see what fitness is all about. As per my definition, fitness is willing to do any kind of work at any given time with consistency and discipline. So let's take an example. Suppose in a group of people, in your friends, someone decides to have a push-up challenge. You will be the first person to do that. Now let's take a second example. You are in a railway platform and the train is on platform number 4 and you are at platform number 1. If you are into fitness, you will catch. Okay, so guys, let me tell you about my achievements. Football. So I have a 19 plus years of experience in the field of football, playing for Super Division in MDFA, First Division, Second Division, and also for Karnataka League, VPL League, and Mumbai FC Junior Champ, and also played for district during my school days. Marathon. I've been participating in many marathon running like Mira Bhainder Mayor Half Marathon, Youth Welfare Society Marathon, Star Sports Club affiliated to MSDAA Mini Marathon, Ryan Milo Minithon sponsored by Nestle Milo, 4th place in first Ryan Mini Marathon, completing the race of 4 km in 13 minutes 31 seconds and 07 milliseconds. Athletics event. I've been participating in many like in 4 into 50 relay, 4 into 100 relay, 100 meter race, 200 meter race, 400 meter race, 800 meter race during my school days and my college days. The fitness rewards are: won 3rd place in annual powerlifting competition, runner-up in fitness competition in Prime Fitness Gym, 6,000 plus football juggling, 115 jump rope record in 0.30 seconds, plank record of 10 minutes 4 seconds and 23 milliseconds, and that's been done in the YouTube as well. Newspaper headlines. For Navbharat Times Bipin Tournament winner, Times of India Best Promising Player, Uday Vani for Bipin Tournament, Lokmat News for Inter-School Tournament runner-up, School Magazine as champions in Inter-School, Corporate Level Magazine in Corporate Level champion. Coached under Jaspal Sir for Athletics, Dasman Sir during my primary school days, and my life coach Mr. Tobias Thomas as my football coach. So along with football, gym has been a part of my life and I've been working out at home. Along with this, I go to gym very frequently as a gym athlete. Not only this, I've seen people facing an issue of consistency. So through my video on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook, I will be as a seed of motivation for all my fans and followers. So the contents in this journey of YouTube, it's gonna be skinny and fat workout routine, diet and recipes, a deep knowledge on fitness, challenges, transformation, and the challenges include like push-up, plank, and many other challenges are gonna be posted in this video on YouTube, and you can definitely contact us on Instagram, on Facebook, on our website. And not only this guys, we're gonna place a motivational word in our every video, and whoever is the first comment will get a shout out in our every social media on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends and family, and don't forget to start. Let's talk about fitness in deep. What is fitness? Fitness is far more than simply exercise on a consistent basis. Fitness has a variety of components and there are many ways it can be measured. With a solid understanding of this topic, individuals can address those aspects of their life that directly impact fitness. Definition of it. According to the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, physical fitness is defined as the ability to carry out daily tasks with vigor and alertness without under fatigue and with ample energy to enjoy time pursuit and respond to emergencies. Based on this definition, fitness involves everything from getting out of bed to hiking to performing CPR. In order to complete all these tasks, one must consistently address their fitness level. They require proper condition through both structured exercise and other activities. What are the components of fitness? Cardiorespiratory endurance, muscular strength, muscular power, flexibility, balance, speed, body composition. Now let's take an example. If a student wants to focus on creating a program to improve cardiorespiratory endurance, they should start by researching the type of fitness. They might find that a person could use cardiovascular exercise like running, biking or swimming in combination of different days of the week to achieve the goal. They might create a training program that look like this. Goal: to increase cardiorespiratory endurance. Day 1, walk, run 1 mile. Day 2, bike for 30 minutes. Day 3, rest. Day 4, swim 500 meter. Day 5, rest. Day 6, walk, run for 1 mile. Day 7, rest. Explanation: this program will improve cardiorespiratory endurance because this exercise utilizes the cardiovascular system. They increase the strength of the heart as well as lung capacity.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it below. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a but I never get feelings to shorty, I know what you after. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. New Orleans, watch I look I'm jugging. Dissect your hand if your hand in my putting. Put two in your man if your man keep a looking. Act like a poopy, yo, bitch get tookin'. I'm not the type to go fuck with them niggas who fuck with them niggas who stay on some fish. Oh, young and trapping out the bando. From the ceiling fan to the damn floor. Trying to stack my money up, cause that's the only way we can go. Tell my mama that I'm old.
This is my favorite motivational speech. My commitment and obsession is always to be better today than I was yesterday. If I have to make sacrifices to do that, so be it. If I have to tell that person I cannot go drink with him anymore, so be it. Because that's not what I value. Anything or anyone that is taking me further away from my dreams has to go. I'm committed to self-development, not self-destruction. And you know, any person that is meant to be in my journey will choose a higher road with me. Yes, a tougher road which is a much more rewarding one. I want my life to mean something, to be able to look back at my life and say, yeah, I made some tough decision and they were the right decision. People, they don't get it. They piss their life every weekend for what? So they can complain about their current circumstances for the rest of the week? Screw that, no chance. I'm in charge of my own life. I take responsibility, I take action and I get the shit done. You may never hear me complain about any person or circumstances for the reason or where I want to be. If I don't like where I am, it's time to knuckle down and work harder. I'm a perfect reflection of the hard work and the lack of work I put in. And luck, it only comes to those who pay their dues. If I'm weak in a certain area, it won't be for long. Because I'm committed to be better. I will learn, I will read, I will make it happen. I will find a way. I will work until that weakness is turned into a strength. You cannot beat me because I don't give up. I'm relentless. You're gonna knock me down, but I'm never gonna stay down because it's time to rise. Rise up to your potential. Rise up past your limitation. Rise up past your family or friends' limitation. Don't comfort yourself to be standard like a sheep. Get up and lead the way. Get up. Rise up. Man up.
To you, fight for my attention, for your ascension. You must prove